Which synonym belongs to glower? The correct answer is glare. Which synonym belongs to check? The correct answer is tick. Which synonym belongs to opportune? The correct answer is appropriate. Which synonym belongs to defrock? The correct answer is disfrock. Which synonym belongs to comely? The correct answer is pulchritudinous. Which synonym belongs to enormity? The correct answer is depravity. Which synonym belongs to sow? The correct answer is ingot. Which synonym belongs to mammoth? The correct answer is enormous. Which synonym belongs to burlesque? The correct answer is imitation. Which synonym belongs to your? The correct answer is long since. Which synonym belongs to helm? The correct answer is tiller. Which synonym belongs to lank? The correct answer is scarce. Which synonym belongs to squander? The correct answer is waste. Which synonym belongs to ebullient? The correct answer is bubbly. Which synonym belongs to connotation? The correct answer is intention. Which synonym belongs to embellish? The correct answer is ornament. Which synonym belongs to proletarian? The correct answer is prole. Which synonym belongs to crust? The correct answer is income. Which synonym belongs to manumit? The correct answer is emancipate. Which synonym belongs to expletive? The correct answer is oath.